That's perfect. Awesome. Hey everybody, welcome back. I didn't tell you about that smoked turkey that I got at BT's Fried Chicken for Thanksgiving, but I did bring home a whole bag full of turkey meat here. I got all this lovely bits of white and dark meat, even some bits of the skin. And I was thinking, what would be a good way to make use of all of this extra meat? And so I think I came up with a pretty good idea. So we're just gonna do a little bit of a time lapse here, and then I'll show you the finished dish in just a minute, okay? Secret ingredient here, a canned liverwurst spread. So any Filipino kitchen is going to have one of these lying around, and this is really going to be important for the flavor of this dish. A little vinegar also is going in there. Using the low sodium Japanese soy sauce here. You can use any traditional soy sauce. You just got to remember about your salt levels. Since that pate already has salt in it, and the turkey's been brined and seasoned as well, it's already salty, so you don't need to add too much salt to this. Oh, listen to that crunch. One egg right on top. Oh yeah, now I can really smell those peppers, and the onions are starting to cook, and it's really filling up the kitchen with this lovely aroma. You got that smokiness from that turkey. Oh yeah, look at that. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna stir up this fried egg, and then we're gonna put it all on the rice. Stir that right in, mix it up. Look at that. Sizzling, crispy, leftover Thanksgiving turkey sisig. That's right. Traditionally, this is a dish made with pork, but hey, we have all this beautiful leftover turkey. A little bit of that extra liver sauce that I made earlier. You can just kind of drizzle that. A little bit of calamansi juice. This is a very typical condiment that goes with sisig. It's a Filipino lime. Got more of a very strong citrusy, but also kind of a floral note to it. So drizzle a little bit of that on there. Extra spicy, a little extra green onion on top. Mmm. So many intense flavors. And more importantly, you got all these textures. You got crispiness from the fried crunchy bits of turkey. The added layer of the raw chili, the raw green onions on top. Adds even another dimension of crunch there. And then you get that burst of chili, the acid from the vinegar and the calamansi juice. Mmm. Nice crispy bits on all that turkey. Ooh. And nice chili punch there from the extra chili peppers that I added there. Yeah, you get these little bits of the caramelized onion and the chili pepper also. The liver paste really does add that little bit of funky organ meat taste to it. It makes it more of that familiar sisig flavor. So, wow. Yeah, this is, so good. That's perfect. Awesome. Delicious turkey from BT's fried chicken and barbecue. That smoked turkey, it has this nice brine. It's a little bit of sweet and a salty. And chopping it up and frying it again to make this sisig. Wow. Wow, what a tremendous dish. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.